Kung fish pond na ito,
Oo.
yung hinuhuli naming fish pond are from the wild.
Okay.
Yung pumasok dyan na tilapia at saka bangus, galing yan sa labas. Pagdating ng high tide, pumapasok yung tubig sa loob ng palaisdaan. Tapos pagdating ng low tide, isasara namin yung shutter. No? Lumaki na yung isda. Kaya doon, yung mga bangus at tilapia are from the wild. Just to prove to you na kung yan ay nasa controlled environment, na sabay-sabay silang lalaki, na nasa hatchery, yung 10,000 iitlogin ng sabalo na nandun sa controlled breeding station can be on the other way around. Ang survival mo ay 9,000 at baka 1,000 lang mamatay, which I think is still a higher statistic. But that solves the issue of the future of farming, of fishing. Dahil as you go far, fishing now, you go far and far from the shore. Nawala na yung pwede kang mamiwas, manghuli sa tabing dagat. Wala na yon. Ubus na eh. Pangalawa, madami na ang tao. You have to contest with the fact na lahat yan, ganun din ang hinahanap. Yung nagbubukal ng mga buhangin, naghahanap ng clubs. Sobra na ang dami ng tao eh. So, with this, the future is what we call sea farming. And we have started it in the town of Lopez. Dito sa...
This is also in Bundok Peninsula, Lopez.
Well, it is on the 4th district, sa Lamon Bay, because we asked the Norwegians to come here. They look at the whole country, they have preferences, sinabi niya, saan ideal ang sea farming, yung floaters na may cages, and they identified that one of them is Quezon, but they say priority yung Lopez. That's why si Governor has put up a sea cages with floaters, and that will be our experimental side purposely for two variety, that's bangus and saltwater tilapia.
Okay, so ito po, so you're putting it in a controlled environment, you're like parang it's like breeding them para dumami. Tapos po ito po magagamit na pwedeng ibigay sa mga constituents para magawa nilang business, no?
That will be the primer kasi Rowena, you can put floaters and cages, but where will you get the prey? Ang magiging problema diyan yung similye. And here is the center where you can get 4 varieties of we're looking at bangus, lapu-lapu, samaral, sibas, and for the first time crab. Ito ang kaunang hatchery ng katang sa ating bansa. Yung mud crab. Yung
crab.
Kulay green, yung nakikita mo sa mga swamp. Paiitlogin mo yan, tapos palalakihin mo yung maliliit. And then, you can say the fry, yung maliliit na katang hanggang lumaki. Kasi, merong market sizes kasi tayo, Rowena, na hindi naman malaking-malaki, mahal, hindi eh. May mga taong preferred yung kanilang...
Maliliit lang.
Yung tama lang na, market. Katulad ng lapu-lapong buhay, ayaw nila nung masyadong malalaki at makunat na yun. But they have prepared size. And with that, pag pinalalaki mo yan sa controlled environment, alam mo na kung kailan dapat ibenta, maximize the price. Hindi katulad ng from the wild, ikaw ano na lang mahuli mo, may malaki, may maliit, di ba?
So, with that po, mape-predict nila or mapaplano nila kung ano ibebenta. So, at the same time,
kung
kailangan ibenta. At the same time, going back, syempre, nagninegosyo naman tayo, nagtatrabaho tayo para sa pamilya. At least, mapaplano na rin ang finances ng family.
Oh yeah, definitely. Diba? Because you can say na mag-i-enroll itong anak ko. So, by this time, maglalarga na ako dito sa aking harvest. So, programming of...
So, that's very good po, no, Dad? We'll have to come back. We have to take a break. But should I read the questions first? Cesar, I just want to ask kung paano mag-invest sa stock market and paano bumili ng share. May 20,000 ako. Pwede ko na bang gamiting pambili ng share like at mining corporation? Salamat po. Yes, Cesar, actually, you can already buy that. Kung may extra ka, there are two things, no? Pwede kang tumawag sa isang stockbroker at bigay mo yung 20, or pumasok ka na lang sa CitySec online. You can call them or you can go online, www.citysec.online, and then you can actually invest on your own there. And they can actually guide you also. So para at least minimal lang ang fee, ang stockbroker's fee. Anyway, we will have to take a break, and we will see you in a few minutes.
Bay, matanong nga kita, pag binigyan kita ng 100 piso, anong gagawin mo?
Siguro po bibili ako ng pansit din sa kanto. Paborito ko yun ng pamilya ko.
Ay, mabait ka talagang ama ng pamilya.
Salamat po.
Yung homecoming party mo, magkano ginastos niyo dyan?
10,000. Medyo malaki pero maraming maunang kaligayan.
Bay, ito ha, tatapatin kita. Kaya ka nagkakaproblema sa pera, dahil mali ang pagtingin mo dito.
Mali. Kahit mo magiging mali. Para saan mo ba ang pera, di ba? Para sa paggastos sa mga kailangan natin.
Ang tawag dyan, lifestyle mindset. Yan ang pagtingin sa pera bilang panggastos lang sa mga gusto mo. Money is used to fund your lifestyle. Kung halimbawa, bigyan ko ang isang Chino ng 100, anong palagay mong gagawin niya dito? Iimbakin niya yon at papalaguin. The Chinese save and invest their money. Konti lang ang ginagastos nila pang lifestyle. Yan ang tinatawag na abundance mindset. Ang paggamit sa pera para palaguin ang kanilang kinikita para sa kanilang hinaharap. Money is a tool to increase one's wealth. Hindi porket hindi ka Chinese, hindi mo na pwedeng baguhin ang pag-iisip mo mula lifestyle mindset patungo sa abundance mindset. Palagay mo ba malulunasan ang problema mo sa pera kung puro sa mga gusto lang mapupunta ito?
Hindi po.
Teka muna, gusto mo ba talagang yumaman?
Hindi. Joke lang po. Sino mong taong ayaw yumaman?
Ano bang kayamanan para sa iyo?
Yung maraming pera para na rin sa anak ko at asawa ko.
Ganun kadami? 1 million? 10 million? Tandaan mo ba ang pera nauubos, ang kayamanan hindi. Iba ang pera sa kayamanan. Ang pera o money is just a tool for you to become wealthy. Nauubos yan. The money that you earn is your income. Perang pinagtatrabahuhan mong kitain. Ang kayamanan or wealth, that also includes money, but it's more than money.
Oo nga. Parang sinabi ng mayaman ako sa pagmamahal, sa mga kaibigan, sa talent, at looks.
Tama. Sa tingin ko nga, sa mga bagay na walang kinalaman sa pera, mayaman ka na.
Multimilyonaryo na ako. Pero sana, maging mayaman rin ako pang pinansyal.
Kaya kailangan mo maging financially literate o maalam sa pera.
Good morning once again. You are watching the Business Portal, and our segment is Investment Academy. I am your host, Rowena Suarez. Now, for our Money Sense portion, making sense with money sense. As the saying goes, the journey to making millions begins with a single cent. I got a topic from the March to April issue of Money Sense. Since it's still summer and it's still nice, it's a good time to still travel. There's the topic here in page 66, 15 ways to get cheap by Excel Dikianco. He gives us several ways to save on your next vacation. Here are tips on how to travel without spending too much. Last week, I already told you regarding the 1st to the 5th, which is just a rundown. Check for discounts and deals. Number 2, subscribe to newsletters. Number 3, visit expos. Number 4, shop around. Number 5, book early. Okay, now for the 6th to 10th tip. Fly earlier in the week. Weekends are usually high since this is when schools and offices are closed. Rates for Monday to Wednesday are usually cheaper. So, it's good to book early anyway. It's summer, so mas maganda take a break from your office and then travel Monday to Wednesday. The 7th is consider the non-holidays. June to September are usually lean months since there are no major holidays around this time and school has just started. Even hotel rates are cheaper. Number 8, buy late. Buying ticket late is also an advantage. Airlines have their last-minute deals. This is when they need to fill up their planes to maximize their seating capacity and for fuel efficiency purposes. Kailangan nilang punuin yung eroplano kasi may mga nag-book na, so kailangan dagdagan pa nila kung mayroong pang seats available at ibibigay nila yan ng really at a bargain price. Number 9, be flexible with your travel dates. There is a big possibility that you are more likely to splurge when you insist on particular travel dates. So kung hindi naman po emergency, wag na yung insist yung ganong date na magta-travel kayo. You have to be flexible. Be open to leave a day earlier or later. This way, you may save on your travel expenses. The 10th is use neighboring airports. If flying local, let's say Boracay, you may want to land through Katiklan instead of Kalibo. Kasi malaki rin yung price difference. Kung Katiklan, may mag-rent na lang kayo, I think, ng per person from Katiklan to Kalibo is 300. Pero pag 300 yung bus, ngayon kung didiretso kayo ng Kalibo, baka sa airfare, mga 1 or 2,000 pesos more. So, yan yung mga little ways on how to save, no? For international travel naman, let's say you're traveling to New York. Instead of going through JFK Airport, maybe mas mura pag nag-land kayo sa LaGuardia. So, yan yung mga sinasabi kong neighboring airports. So, choose the less airports that are close to your destination. This allows you to save on your travel costs and will have more budget for food, shopping, and sightseeing. So stay tuned next week for tips 11 to 15. So for our finance news, okay, this is from the business world, the business and finance news. Minimum wage hike certain. So Metro Manila's private sector workers can look forward to a daily minimum wage adjustment next week, I think by May 9. And then infrastructure spending to increase this quarter. Infrastructure will be ramped up this quarter after disbursements dropped significantly during the first to third months of the year. Financial sector resilient, poised for more growth. The country's financial system has continued to build on the resilience exhibited at the height of 2008 global crisis, but more reforms are needed to maintain this tip-top shape, says a BSP, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas representative. Now for our stock market finance watch, as of May 3 yesterday, the stock market opened at 4,319.57. It went on a high of 4,332.92, a low of 4,319.57, and it closed at 4,326.76. For our peso-dollar exchange rate, it opened at 42.710, a high of 42.635, a low of 42.760, and it closed at 42.635. Welcome back once again. Our guest is none other but Rep. Danilo E. Suarez of the 3rd District of Quezon. So, as what we said earlier, sabi nyo na dapat talaga with the back to basics nga na farming and food for the provinces, kailangan din i-educate yung mga youth, ang mga tao para malaman nila kung paano nila so they know how to use up the resources that they have. Well,
it's more on nagkaroon tayo ng programa sa probinsya, yung halamanan sa paaralan. Conceptualize ito ni Prosi, ni Secretary Alcala, tsaka ni Governor. Dito, Rowena, you go back to sa iyong mga televiewers na matatanda na. sila ay nakaugalian na niyang manood ng sine.
Okay.
At sa sine, pag ikaw ay magsasaka, mahirap ka. Yan lagi ang upbringing. At ang bida ay yung magsasaka na aapihin ng